If your pipes are making unusual noises when you turn on your faucets, it could be due to high water pressure. Most people think they want high water pressure, but what they really want is high volume. Water volume is a measurement of the amount of water that comes out of the faucets. Water pressure is a measurement of the pounds per square inch in the system when you're not using anything. If you ignore the symptoms of high water pressure, you could have a rupture in your system, causing great damage to your home. If you have any concerns about high water pressure, feel free to call Fulton Services. We'll be happy to come out, take a measurement, and let you know what's really going on.